here's a big one, right? You might think, when I'm rich, I'll travel and experience things in life. When I'm wealthy, or when I've achieved this goal or that goal, I will travel and have actual experiences. The thing that actually truly matters, like life and living it, when I get to this or that. The truth is, many of us will never get to this or that, right? Because a lot of us look at these hardships and these stepping stones as oppression, rather than like something that's actually building the character and developing inside of us what we need to actually achieve these goals, and looking at every adversity as an opportunity to grow, right? Because growth will get you those goals. But what you should be doing is going, okay, these are hardships, I'll get over them. And also, I'm going to hustle my ass off so I can take this holiday. You don't need to travel overseas and live extravagantly, but you must get out and be grateful for what you have in the moment.